Hello everybody, my name is Lightflash and welcome to this video. And I'm going to tell you my whole story of becoming a popular Geometry Dash YouTuber. Like that would ever happen, right? There's no way I'm going to be famous in the future. Maybe. Okay. Back to the past. So my goal was to reach 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, which today I only have 269 subscribers on YouTube. And I'm not going to talk about that. I'm going to talk about my whole story in my life. The story of my life. No. Oh, okay. Back in December 2014, when my when my when my third older brother told me to play this game called Geometry Dash. Back there, back then, we had a laptop. We didn't have a PC, right? We only have a laptop. And my third older brother told me to play this game called Geometry Dash. I was only 7 years old at that time, and he told me, if you beat this called no, if you beat this level called Stereo Madness, then I will give you 5 pesos. And then I beat it in a few attempts. I think five or yeah, five around 5 attempts. I was only 7 years old when I beat Stereo Madness. That's crazy, actually. And then when our laptop broke, I couldn't play Geometry anymore. Then in 2017, we moved here in the Apopong General Santos City. We moved in a new house, and then my parents rented a restaurant, Angel Bulalo, Angel's Bulalo, yeah, a restaurant. And then in 2017, when um I'm not going to tell you my whole story. I'm just going to tell about my my GD story, my Geometry Dash life story. Because this game, I'm I'm not even addicted to it. It's just really I don't know. I really like this game so much. Maybe I'm addicted to it, but you never know. So in 2017, my fourth, my oldest brother, uh, borrowed me his phone, and then I installed some Geometry Dash up there, and you know what? I just beat Deadlock. I was only I was only 10 years old when I first beat beat Theory of Everything 2. That's right. I remember. So this video, I'm going to tell you about my Geometry Dash story, not my life story. Never mind about my life story. I'm just going to tell you about my Geometry Dash life story. So in 2017, I beat my first demon, Theory of Everything 2. I couldn't beat the club step because it was too hard for me. I sucked at flying at that time. So instead, I beat the Theory of Everything 2 as my first ever demon in my entire life. I was only 10 years old. when I first beat Fury of Everything 2, and then my second demon, Club Step, my third demon, and then Deadlock. And then in 2018, when my parents and I traveled to Davao City, my my other cousin lent me his phone, and at that time I first beat Finger Dash. I was 11 years old at that time. So okay, this time I'm going to tell my YouTube story as a YouTuber. That's my goal as my life, to reach to become a famous YouTuber. Like that would ever happen, right? Who knows? Maybe. I mean, it's really difficult as a YouTuber. So, alright. On March 2019, my other cousin gave me his Gmail account because I didn't know how to make a Gmail account back then. And then on April 9, 2019, I created my first ever YouTube channel called Likely Dash. And let's talk about my name. Why is my name Likely Dash? How did my name created? Who created Likely Dash name? Back in 2015 again, when my younger sister tried to pronounce Geometry Dash. Geometry Dash. Geometry Dash. Hey, Angel, can you read this name? Geometry Dash. And then she said, Likely Dash. No! No, not Likely Dash. It's Geometry Dash. She's still pronouncing the Geometry Dash Likely Dash. I don't know. Why would she pronounce Likely Dash Geometry Dash? I, I don't know. Because she was only 4 years old at that time when she was trying to pronounce the Geometry Dash name. And then